Marriage is the most important of all earthly relationships. It should be entered into reverently, thoughtfully, and with full understanding of its sacred nature. Your marriage must stand by the strength of your love and the power of faith in each other and in God. Just as the two threads woven in opposite directions form a beautiful tapestry, so too your two lives, when merged together, will make a beautiful marriage.
Pinapangako ko at pipilitin ko na lahat ng magiging kaarawan mo ay magiging masaya. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil binigay ka niya sa akin sa tamang oras at sa tamang panahon kung kailan handa na ako at handa ka na. Nung ikakasal na tayo, sabi ng iba, may nanalo na. Hindi nila alam, ako ang nanalo sa'yo. Hindi ko maipapangako na walang magiging problema, walang lungkot, walang sakit. Pero kaya kong ipangako sa'yo, sa lahat ng mga oras na yun, kasama mo ako.
And now by the power vested in me, I shall now pronounce you partners for life. And you may now kiss the bride.